Okay, so I'm going to show you how to connect to the Zoom meetings. So here's your desktop, and in your email, you will get an invite from me. Okay, that invite will have a link for you to click on. If that link doesn't work, here's the meeting ID and passcode, and you can type that directly into Zoom. However, you should not need that. All right, so you click on this link, and it will take you to this page. You have a couple of options here. If you have downloaded Zoom onto your computer, you can click Launch Meeting. If you don't, click Join from Browser. Okay, now I have it on my computer, so I had to exit out of that. I've found it easier for students to just click Join from Browser if they don't have it on their computer, but if you want it on your computer, you can download and run it. Okay, if you download it, it will be there for future use. Okay, but it is completely up to you. So we are going to click Join from your browser. Okay. You need to put in your name and class period. Okay. And you're not a robot, and you're going to join the class. And it would help if I started the meeting. All right. When you do that, on my screen, I'm going to get this link that says you're waiting to join. Okay, I'm going to admit you. Now, the first time that you join, it's going to ask to join audio. You need to click that button, join audio by computer. Give your computer access to your microphone. Okay, and you're now in the Zoom class. Okay. Couple functions down here that you need to know. Okay. This participant button will tell you everyone who's in the class. Okay. This button right here, if you need to talk, you click that button and it allows you to speak. Make sure though that you keep it on mute when you are listening, because otherwise everybody can hear everything going on at your house. And if multiple people are talking, it's just one big chaos. So keep that muted. Start video. Allow it to use your camera, yes. Now, if you start the video, you can see yourself and everyone else can see you too. If you don't want them to, then you will click stop video. Okay, and then it's just your name on the screen. Over here, you have the chat function. Okay, if you have a message, you will type it there and it shows up. Okay, when we do class discussions, it will show up there. Okay, your answers will also show up there sometimes, depending on what the lesson is, if I'm able to say it verbally. That one's going to depend on what's going on in the classroom. But if I have to type your answer, then you'll need this chat box up because your answer will come right here. Okay. So just make sure that you are aware of that. All right. Hopefully that will help you with Zoom. And when you're done, you will hit the leave button.